doing? Stop. That's close enough, Ireland. Stop. Don't bother them. They're busy.
Might date her.
He wants to date her.
Come here. Come
He wants to get in the camera so I can...
here. Come here.
It's pretty cool, right?
Uh-huh.
What's he doing? He's trying to tell this lady where... Oh, he's getting excited. Ireland, back up. Do you hear his feathers? Look, when she gets close to him, he gets all busy. Oh, here he goes. He's shaking his tail feathers at her. He's like, check me out. She's like, she's not sure. She's like, he's kind of cute, but I don't know. Look at him backing up on her.
Is that normal for them?
Yeah.
Let's go check out another one.
Should we let them have their privacy?
Uh-huh.
I think they need some privacy. Look, she's like, will you guys please leave? Can't you see we're in the middle of something? We really don't need an audience, and we don't want this on YouTube. Stop, Ireland. Ireland? Okay.
How he's mad. Like be mad.
Look at him. He really likes her.
The other one liked her too.
Oh,
Oh, please, please.
shh, Ireland. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. They're doing it. They're making babies. What?
Why did he jump on top of her? I've never seen
He was cuddling. That's called cuddling.
He making babies?
Mm-hmm.
Is she gonna have a baby?
She might. We'll see, I guess. Look, she's done with him now. She's like, I'm off. I'm gonna go rest.